just show her a little.
Okay guys, so right now I want to interview people at behind there. Two people. So come with me. Hello guys. Okay, my name is Nick. So today I want to ask you a few questions. Before that, I want to know your name and where you from.
First of all, my name is Muhammad. I'm civil engineering student background. I'm for you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Asifan Muhammad. I'm also from civil engineering from civil engineering student from UNN. Okay, so let's start. So my first question to you. So the question is, what do you know about verbal and non-verbal communication?
When we say non-verbal communication is the communication transfer without any words spoken. It is the transmission of information and instruction such as body language, facial expression, body posture, eye contact, and performance. For example, specifically background student and on-site, where especially often jump up speech. So, non-verbal cues serve as a supplement and often replacement for non-verbal and often replacement for verbal comment.
So next, my question to you, Muhammad Asif. So the question sounds like, from your knowledge, what is different between verbal and non-verbal communication?
Okay, from my knowledge, verbal communication is to involve using words either spoken or written. Such example, to talk to someone, writing an email speech and chatting over the phone. Meanwhile, non-verbal communication to involve expressing message to someone, such as he smile to show their happiness, the crossing arm to defend, and so on.
So I think that about verbal is when you talk to someone, so you give the instruction to someone with speak. So non-verbal is without speaking, so you because the and they still like. So thank you. Today, let's go in to interview some other people. Let's go. Bro. You are the lucky person I will interview. You also. Me also? Yes. So, can I know your name and your background?
So, my name is Muhammad Fatul Wabih Muhammad. I'm from civil engineering student.
What about you?
My name is Muhammad Isham, also from civil engineering studies.
Oh, okay. So, I have some question for you about non-verbal communication. First of all, I want to ask, what happens if people ignoring non-verbal communication at such conversation?
from my knowledge, impact of ignoring non-verbal will be people mainly understand instruction when it too much, but when we talk about safety, it can be risk because important signal missing. From my second point, teamwork get weak it becomes don't have eyes contact and body language. Work become more slow and have to lead you to mistake, and it will make worker feel stressed and not supported. Okay.
I have a question for you. Yes, for you. But why non-verbal communication matters on this side especially?
I think why non-verbal communication depends on side interaction. First is it can reducing incident by giving quick and clear warning. Second, I think avoiding confusion. When you at work, you normally exposed to many people that have different culture. So by using non-verbal communication, you can make them understand. And also by using non-verbal communication, you can make workflow move smoothly or improve the workflow. I think that's why non-verbal communication is important. Do you get it? If you get it, comment down below.
Oh yeah, I want to ask you, what do you think in construction site? There will be a lot of noise, lot of machinery that operate. So how do you think that non-verbal communication can be used inside?
Wait, I want to point my answer.
Okay, sorry.
Alright, okay. Wait, point it.
Okay, I think to improve the non-verbal communication in construction site is through by eye contact. So what I think eye contact to by improve the safety, clarity in the environment. Then one more thing, I think reduce the miscommunication. So I think that in construction site we can use facial expression for communication. So basically, what do you know about facial expression? So I think facial expression is the movement of our face that express emotion without any words coming from mouth. So importance of facial expression inside. So firstly, we can know instant reaction. We can know instant reaction from others. So for example, I very tired on that day, so my face will be tense. I want to go sleep. So without any word I say, I'm very tired today. But you can see my face very tired, very tense.
I can
Very
see your
face.
face. I can see your face.
Yeah, that's example lah. Others like I roll. So I think I want to disrespect you.
Why?
Macam macam ni. That's me. So
For me, go back to my point.
yes.
For safety. Okay, for safety, through the message for the other worker, how to use the safety first and how to focus about safety. Safety is very important in construction site.
Yes. Every
Because we don't know how where accident happen. So okay, the safety is very important for construction. Okay, next, say okay, the miscommunication. Okay, miscommunication is not good in construction site because maybe the the patient, the other worker, third one can be the delay, and it will be, I think it will be project can be on, because miscommunication they can happen. This fight, we don't know.
Yes, I agree with you. Because what I think, for example, in construction site, the worker must spend the bar for example 30 meter, for example, 30 meter, but actually in drawing just 50 meter. So must the worker must redo the work because they didn't follow the drawing. The example I think that is good for eye contact.
Okay. I think I give you example that is like, okay, from through the eye contact, for example, okay, we can call the crane worker to move the things from the other side, and the other to the area with the eye contact, just eye contact. But for me, eye contact is method is powerful in a construction site because with the eye contact, it will alright. That's all for me.
Oh, that's all right. Okay, before last lah, I think I want to share with you a tip that how we can understand other faces. So firstly, we must be aware with all faces. For example, in meeting with JKR, Posata, JPS, and maybe supervisor. So in the meeting, we must know what people think. So when we know what people think, we can give our speech, we can give our we can give our opinion. We can give our opinion with confidence. So we must know. For example, smile, eye wide, open, side roll eye. So in which that face expression, we can know what exactly they're thinking and what they want to say. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.
I want to join my.
Okay, enjoy your food.
I want to. Can I join you? Okay, I'll see you. Guys, what is your name?
My name is Nema. Sorry. Sorry for disturb you. Now, what are you talking about?
We talking about the development of improve communication with person beside. Look through my eye contact. Alright.
Through by facial expression.
So can I add more about through gesture?
Or you have
Yes.
Alright.
So my opinion, set construction a bit noisy in set construction. So you don't have to speak audio or anything else to construct operator like operator crane, Lego, or so on. So non-verbal communication with gesture is you can use your hand example. So if for the example, if you have operator crane or Lego, do a job for to correct so you can, after they finish the job, you can do like this. This meaning is about good or
I think that is the signal for for both.
yes, alright. So other example. Under the ground. So you must use your hand signal to like this. This meaning about
Stop.
Again, generally, yeah,
My head is
okay.
No, not gesture. Eye contact, gesture,
yes.
important. Understand?
Okay. So sorry.
okay.
It's okay. You share your
So, at the time,
Okay, so, on the break right now.
Want to go?